Hidden within the heart of the Dolomites lies Lago de Sorapis, its turquoise waters reflecting stories older than time itself. A place where tranquility whispers and dreams drift softly. And then there's Lago de Breas, a silent guardian of beauty, peacefully nestled between majestic peaks. Rising from the earth, the iconic Tre Cime di Lavaredo command attention, their peaks reaching boldly towards the sky, a testament to nature's raw artistry and strength. Further along, Seceda unveils its breathtaking cliffs, sharp and dramatic, sculpted by wind, shaped by time, standing proudly above endless valleys, inviting every traveller to pause and breathe in the freedom. Home to enchanting churches, quietly nestled in rolling meadows, timeless symbols of peace, spirituality and harmony with nature. The Dolomites, a place not just to see, but to feel deeply, to connect profoundly, and to leave forever changed.